Morning everybody. Bit of noise going on outside. Yes, we're into the start of the harvesting season. A couple of small fields I've seen done around here, not many. Don't know what he's up to there. Maybe trying to clean his tracks out. See all the like rice straw, grass, etc. clings to the inside of the tracks and the rollers, the support rollers, sprockets and the idlers. Anyway, little snippet of what's going on. I'm going to chew everything up. Good job we got low ground pressure on those things. Careful, you'll get hurt. There you go. I used to do some crazy stuff, but I would never do anything like that. I've just been speaking with my brother. He's in his ASQ, state quarantine hotel. He's out in the morning, so I'll be off tomorrow. He's getting a lift back with his family, his wife's family. Well, they're both out tomorrow. I'm going to go off to their house, but in the morning me and Mimi are going to go down to Prakon Chai, which is where a friend's from that broke his leg in that accident, the bloke on the chopper. Here's a little video of what his leg looked like after the operation and what have you last week. A couple of skin grafts in there, a bit nasty, but there you go. Not nice. I've been there, I suppose I was lucky I never needed skin grafts, but I've just been making some chips for them lot over there. They are making chips for this lot, and I've made my own bread earlier. Lovely. Parboiled them first and fried them up. Quite nice. Looking forward to seeing RA and Goy. Just have a quiet night out tomorrow in Buriram. At his mate's pub, little bar, only small one. It's by one of the little lakes that run round like a moat around Buriram town. Here's a little fruit I've never had before. It's called a karunda fruit. It's sour, and then what they do, they have like the brown sugar here. They put chili in there and whatever, chili and pepper. Delicious. Very sour. Crunchy. Looks like an elongated cherry, but that's good. See if I can find the call the Latin name for it and put it up. I think especially beneficial if eaten with chips. Sounds good.